dick!
Dude, what a douchebag. I mean, I can still get out.
No, you just drive forward. Oh my god, but he makes it hard, dude. I'd make him back up. He's laughing right now.
Can we lock that door? Lock the door.
Yeah, lock it up.
Back up! Back! No! No! Oh my god. Now we gotta go lock the back.
He's gonna move the car.
You can come in!
Oh, lock it! Lock it!
Oh my god.
Oh, he's going closer!
Wow!
Doing anything. You!
Shut the You! No!
Going you so hard.
Yes. Shove it up. Shove it up. Wow, what are you doing? I have something to give you.
Oh, what is this?
They're badges. I need them painted satin black. If you can do it by tomorrow.
Oh my god, you just want me to pull a miracle out of the sky? Absolutely, for you I will.
Anything cool I can film? Yo, I've never been inside a paint booth before. So guys, this is where you go and get your cars painted. They bring the car inside here, controlled environment, garbage bag in areas that don't need to get painted, of course, and then paint it. What are you doing?
Don't do that, don't try that at home.
This is kind of cool.
Yeah, if you want to die, you just sniff it for an hour.
Oh. So are you able to make any paint with just all this right here?
We'll pull the paint code, and it'll tell you exactly what you need. Do accordingly to the colors. You mix it on the scale. We mix it all in-house.
Continuing work on the shop Rolls Royce today. We're doing a Clearbra on the hood.
Bunch of footage you're not going to use.
Completely done now in Clearbra Nano. Full hood, no relief cuts. We took off the middle part as you guys saw last time. So it looks amazing. So while Jonathan is working on Clearbra on the Rolls Royce, we actually got in the first mod for the Rolls Royce, which is the wheels. We got in a set of Vossen forged wheels for the Rolls Royce, so we're gonna do a quick unboxing right now and show you guys what those wheels look like. First off, I just want to show off this nice, beautiful caramel brown cardboard box that you see here. No, I'm just kidding. We're not gonna do that. We're gonna go straight to the wheel.
Fire. Fire. Just fire, dude. Like, look at it. It's on fire, dude.
Sean, we need to give you some more vocab words. So this is the Vossen Forge S17-15T. Gotta love these names. So as I mentioned earlier, this is a forged wheel, so this is custom made to order for us. The finish is called brush with polished windows. Basically what that means is it's a two-tone finish. So on the face of the wheels, you see the brush lines right there. So it's a nice little detail, but on the sides here, like right here where my finger's at, right here, it's polished. Nice little contrast, so it doesn't look like the whole wheel is just one solid color. And as you guys can see, the spoke design is super unique. Almost looks like a bunch of blades going one direction, which is really cool. You know, there's a lot of details to this. In the center here, we have the Rolls Royce center cap. This is definitely the perfect finish if you want to go for something super classy. And here's the back of the wheel, as you can see, engineered for Rolls Royce. Let's go find Marwan.
Who?
Marwan, Habibi.
Yeah, he disappeared again like a fart.
I found you, Marwan.
No, you didn't. I was hiding. You ready?
Yeah, you have the badges? Oh. Nice. Looks good.
You look good.
We got the badges back from Marwan, so we're gonna go ahead and put them on the car now. We're done with the roof railing, so I'm gonna pull it outside for you guys and do a quick walk around and show you what everything looks like now that the car is complete. Alright, so we got done tinting the Panamera and PhotoSync 55 on the front two windows, PhotoSync 30 on the back windows, so you guys can see there's a bit of a contrast. Right now we're doing the Clearbra on the front fenders of the Panamera. The hood, as you can see, has already been installed. We did a quick trim around the edges, and we're going to be doing an EVS custom hood on that. You know, with that beanie, you kind of look like Jesse Pinkman from Breaking Bad.
Wait, see in the basement!
Guys, we're done with the Lexus NX300, so let me show you the chrome delete now. Came in with chrome around the windows, around the mirrors, but now it looks way sportier. So the front lip you saw was chrome, now it's been wrapped in satin black. This bottom strip of the mirror was also chrome too, but now you see it has been wrapped. Same thing with the windows, the rear diffuser piece. We got the NX300 badge painted satin black to match the wrap. The roof rails are now satin black too. And previously we put on the Vossen HF3s in gloss black, so that just ties in with everything else now, and it looks good. Now that we have the Rolls Royce wheels in, we're getting ready to mount them with new tires so we can put it on our shop rolls once it's done.
This looks better. Right?
It has a little bit more
Pop.
Yeah.
I mean, that blends better. That contrasts. That one just stands out. This blends.
Just do 2 on one side, 2 on the other side. Yeah. Why not?
That's true. I mean, no one would ever think anything.
Moments later.
So we've put on the new Vossen wheels. We're still putting on the center caps, but I just want to show you guys what it looks like right now because I'm pretty excited with how it looks. It looks pretty good. What do you guys think? So 22-inch front and rear, of course. The spoke design is very unique. I like it. It's different, you know? It's not your typical mesh design. It's not your typical straight multi-spoke design. It's cool. It's directional, and there's that nice little blade-looking design to it. It looks very classy, and right now we're getting ready to put the center caps on. Here's what the concavity looks like. Pretty nice and deep for the rears. Honestly, the fronts look about the same. We're in the process of polishing the center caps because they're kind of dull, as you can see. So we're trying to add a little bit more shine back to it before we put it on. Alright guys, that's it for the vlog for today. Thanks so much for watching. We want to work on your car, so hit us up. Our contact info is in the description down below. Click up here for a video recommended just for you. Down here for our newest video. And over here to subscribe. I'll see you guys next time.
It's like Christmas, bro. And you're like Santa Claus. You know that?
Well, let me come down your chimney then. That sounds so messed up. Oh my god. Oh my god.